Yo, what is up, boys and girls? It's been a minute. I know. But she's back. Better than ever. For those of you that don't know, I posted about it on IG a couple of times, but the S1000Rr popped. And not in the good way, like the bang bang flames way. My first gear exploded. There's 3 teeth that sheared off of it.
Really? Where is it? What is it like? Oh dang.
3 teeth gone.
Yes, sir.
I guess these bikes had transmission problems. I don't know. You know, this is the first I've ever heard about these Gen 3s in particular having internal issues. It was down a little under 3 months. We did all the work ourselves, me and my boy Joel, of course. Those of you that don't know, go check the homie out. I'll link his stuff in the description. I couldn't have done it without him. He's my boy. I wanted to make this video a little sooner, but this is literally my 3rd attempt trying to get this done. It's either hot, rainy, or it's hot and rainy every single day. So it's a little challenging to ride, especially this time of year in sunny South Florida. So here we are. It's a beautiful 95-degree day out. It's not supposed to rain until later tonight, so I figured now is a better time than any. Ooh. So it was retuned. We did some internal upgrades, of course, while it was cracked open. I mean, we had to tear it all the way down. You know, of course, swapping a motor into it's going to be the easiest and fastest way, but you know, we wanted to really find out what went wrong with it and you know, make sure it doesn't happen again. So, but she sounds good. I am in my break-in miles, so I can't really beat on it. I don't know how much I'm actually going to record of my break-in miles. As with any motor rebuild, you're gonna have break-in miles. So like I was saying, I'm kind of just at the beginning of my break-in miles. So I've got a ways to ride before I can really beat on it. I've got to take it pretty easy. But I wanted to get this video done because it's I've had the bike back since last Saturday, and I've literally tried to make this video 3 times, but the first time my camera battery died and I didn't have a backup. Yo, what is up, boys? We are back, and my auto blipper is not working. The second time was this past weekend. We were going to a meet. There was like 10 of us alone in our group, and that was supposed to be the video of the comeback, but my fucking GoPro mount fell off my helmet. I cannot make this shit up, man. We met up with the boys. We're headed to link up with a couple more and then to the meet. Man, and now it's like fucking sideways. Boys, I am so sorry. I'm doing my best. Oh God, I am. So here we are, finally recording. Yeah, don't expect anything crazy this video. I really just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys about what exactly happened, you know, and where I've been. I mean, this shit was wild, man. I've never seen anything like this fail mechanically, you know. When it originally failed, you know, both Joel and I thought that it was a valve had dropped into the combustion chamber, or, you know, I had threw a rod, you know, something like that. Nobody ever really expected it to be mechanical. how many of these bikes have sold, right? It was a 1 in a million failure, you know, like, it just absolutely, the chances were wild, you know. And looking through forum posts during the rebuild, of course we couldn't have done it without the BMW service manual. That was a lifesaver. But looking through forum posts, man, I mean, this isn't really an issue that I've seen anybody else with these bikes have. And you know, I fucking love this thing. This is the bike that I want. So if you're looking for reliability tips and whether or not you think you should get an S1000, worried about it's going to be unreliable, or you know, you think you're going to have a ton of issues, man, just go out and buy it. I knew when I bought this bike that it was heavily tracked by the owner before me and by the owner before him. But you know, it has 14,500 miles on it. You can never really anticipate things like this happening. You know, shit like this just tends to kind of happen. I can't wait to let her eat, boys. I want to pull the throttle so bad. So I've got about 500 more miles. I'm gonna change the oil at 16,000, and then we're gonna send it, man. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Look at me, man. I'm even a law-abiding citizen. It's really just because I don't want to get pulled over while I'm on my braking miles. I can't go 100% when the bike can't take 100% right now. But it's no biggie, man. I mean, I can ride 500 miles in a day, but it's just the fucking weather right now, man. It's so hot out. But, you know, don't let my video dictate whether or not you decide to buy an S1000, man. I love the shit out of this bike, and I wouldn't trade it for any other. You know, there's plenty of S1000s on YouTube that have well over 15,000 miles that have not had any major repairs, you know. Oh shit, boys, it's hot out. That's the other thing, man. Nobody wants to fucking ride when it's this hot and wet out. That's why I'm out here alone. What a homie, man. Sounds so good. It even sounds different after the retune. So yeah, I'm not sure how many or how much of the break-in miles I'll actually record. You know, of course, if we're planning on going to a meet or something, absolutely I'll record it, take you guys along for the ride. But up right here. Oh man, it feels so surreal to be back on it. You know, after your bike is down for 3 fucking months, man, it starts to feel like you don't even ride anymore. But here she is. She's back and ready to cause havoc. It has to be at least 1,000 degrees outside. Hey, at least I don't need new tires yet. That's probably gonna be it for this one though, boys. Like I said, I just wanted to hop in here, explain where I've been the last couple of months, you know, reassure you that the S1000Rr is an incredible bike. But of course, you guys already knew that. You know the deal. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps tremendously. You have no idea, especially when the bike is down for 3 fucking months. You know, the only thing keeping you going is motivational support from you guys. So I can't tell you how many people have asked me where I've been and whether or not I was in jail. So I appreciate you guys for hanging out, and I'll catch you boys in the next one.